So guys, Sony has released PSSR 2.0, but it's not on by default. So what this does is it improves the image quality for a bunch of PS5 Pro games, such as these ones. To turn this on is pretty simple. First go into your settings, press on system, press on system software update and settings, press on update system software. So the update should be out now for everyone. Let's go and update. Okay, once you're updated, go back into settings, go to screen and video, press on video output. Right here you see enhance PSSR image quality, turn it on. So again, it's only for supported games. I'll show you one quickly. Silent Hill F. Resident Evil 9 is the one game that already supported it. Once again, this is only for the PS5 Pro, not the standard. Yep, so from here to open it, you're good to go. I'll link in the description all games that support it. Okay guys, thanks for watching.